So welcome to my channel, and today we are going to explore the Moscow Victory Park. Not just the park, but the museum of this park. They have a lot of military equipment. We're going to explore most of the military hardware that was captured in the war zone in SFO, like they call it here, or the special military operation that is going on between Russia and Ukraine. So let's go check it out. SVO, защитники Отечества, so kind of defenders of the fatherland. So that's the main entrance. Let's go in and explore. Okay, there we go. So here, these are all military hardwares, and they have names on them. So let's see this one. So this one is a Ukrainian hardware, the Cossack. So they have flags on them to prove where they are coming from, I guess. See here, even though it's a bit in rust, look at how it's whole battered with all sort of. Okay, so one out, and look at this pickup right here. So if you look through here, these are all bullets that have shattered this bag. It's beaten up. It's very unlikely that someone came out of this alive. See right here, this one is a Mitsubishi L200, and it's a Japanese car that have been completely shattered. Let's look at this other piece of equipment right here. So this is an M113. It's an American car. One thing you'll notice here is everything is written in Russian, and in different places, or at least before the start of the war or special operation, it was just a typical museum where everything was written in English and Russian. See here, even the chain completely scattered. Look at this one right here. The inside looks unrecognizable. I've never seen a real military hardware, I guess, if it is this rough inside. Someone, if you're familiar, please write in the comment and tell us. Look at this piece of equipment. Look at how something completely shattered right here. It's the amount of iron that has been shattered, completely destroyed, right? This one is from Netherlands, so it's the YPR. Look at the mass of this thing, right? The weight, somewhere 13.7 tons. Imagine the weight of this thing when it moves around, but it's completely shattered. And I truly doubt if there were any survivors in there. And another American-made weapon. Yeah, here written that it was destroyed in Donetsk, and this one weighs about 10 tons, and it's called the MU-13, an American-made weapon. Just look at the destruction right here. So the next piece here, this one is an Australian-made, a Bushmaster. So this one is an Australian-made tank. It weighs somewhere around right here, 11.4 tons, and also was destroyed like in the epicenter of the war in Donetsk. Look at this monster right here. But here, lying completely in ruins. And again, I really doubt if there were any survivors. See here, united with Ukraine. All of this here, it's very difficult for people to, there will be people celebrating, people crying. But one thing is clear, the price of war, these are millions and millions and billions of dollars that could have been used to improve human lives, but that is it. Another American-made weapon. Look at these monsters. These are trucks that were once monster trucks and now have been completely destroyed. This one is the Cougar 4x4. It's an American-made weapon. Look at the destruction on this thing. Shoes. That other tank, I don't even know. This one just looks completely broken, as if it has never functioned. Look at this other truck right here. Let's check it. I don't know where this one is coming from, but let's check it together. Look at the size of this thing. Just the size of the tire. It's almost like my height. Look at how big this thing is. To give you a little bit of perspective. And again, it's the MRAP International Max Pro, an American-made weapon. This one weighs somewhere between 14.7 to 19.7 tons. Unbelievable. And it has a maximum speed. These are the specifications here. You can go up to 105 kilometers per hour. So it's a very, very sophisticated piece of equipment. But I'm sure nothing is safe when you're fighting a war this big. Look at the inside, completely scattered. This was a shiny piece of equipment, but it doesn't match the wrath of war. Or at least this one right here, the interior looks completely scattered. I'm curious. Is this how this thing look chaotic when they are inside? I understand that now it's completely shattered. How do the new ones look? Here's also the MRAP International Max Pro, another American-made weapon. So you see here, they have this distinct mark. Really, really heavy piece of equipment. That's the price of war. Men, women, families torn apart. Billions and billions of dollars destroyed. So this one is a combined piece of equipment. It's called the, I don't know if it is MRAP Mastiff. So it's a combined piece of equipment from Britain and America. And it seems like it has these protective things around it, but still completely destroyed. Just look at the level of destruction here. So one side, it's victory. The other side, it's history, it's bravery, depending on how you see it. But I don't think anyone can argue the cost. So these are all NATO equipment. How many of them are here? Quite a lot. Because these are the ones that they are here right on display. Is it propaganda? Is it history? You be the judge. But one thing is clear. This one here, this town, if you look at the sign, I'm sure you've been following online, you'll see where this sign is coming from. It's a really heavy piece of equipment. And one is the T-64 BM2 Bulat. It's a Ukrainian-made tank. It weighs somewhere around 45 tons. Unbelievable. It's a really, really heavy piece of equipment. This one is still somewhat in good shape. Over there, American. Let's see. I have no idea what this kind of weapon is. What tank is this? See, this one is the M2A2 Ort SA. Oh, it's the American Bradley. So guys, this was one of those American-made weapons that have undergone an enormous amount of destruction. Just look at this one, completely scattered. If you imagine that the International Max Pro is a heavy piece of machinery, to be completely this scattered, you can imagine the force that was hit. This one is a Canadian, a Russia Senator. Like a hammer, and it's completely destroyed. So that is NATO. All of this you've seen: Canada, US, Australia, Japan, Britain. Seen one tank that is British made. Oh, finally, this one is a German. So this is the Mother 1A3. This one was destroyed in Lugansk. So you can see Lugansk, Donetsk. That's where the main front lines are. So we've seen Australia, Germany, America, Britain, Japan, Canada, of course. So here's an overview All right. So there you have it. That is it.